What's doing? Welcome back. More Dmax mods. Let's get inside. It's noisy as hell in there, so hopefully they shut up for a second. We'll go and see what we're doing. This is getting that. That's right, we're doing a rooftop tent on the Dmax, so Liam's gonna get this all unpacked. Get up on there, we've got a couple of cross rails put on, so I'll film them as you go and do bits and pieces, and then we'll get the tent up and we'll explain to you what it is, how it works, and what it does. So Joe Exotic here is getting us some cross braces ready. They're gonna go on top of the canopy. And then once that's on top of the canopy, we've got some special clamps that will hold the tent to said bars. So I'll let the boys do their thing. I'll come back over when they're done that. And just like that, I'll go up my little stairway to heaven where we've got some cross rails on. Now, the awesome part with new Ironman product is this little bracket here keeps this rooftop tent super low to the bracket. It's not sitting up really high. So it'll keep the rooftop tent really low and down to low profile on the roof. So it should keep it nice and low without sitting way up too high, and keep it all attached to the car. And the boys are just doing the rails on this, so then when we flip it up that way and there, that can go on there, sit between those rails on there, and get bolted down there, if you understand lingo. But yeah, so just squaring that all up, get it all on, and then we'll flip it up the other way and put it on the car. Ta-da! And just like that, he's got the rooftop tent on. They're just, I believe you're just securing now. Oh, what, do you know what that is, mate?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a square.
Oh! It doesn't look like a square.
Okay.
So he's just getting it all squared up, making all the measurements bang on, and we'll lock her down. But as you can see, the rooftop sits very low, so it's not going to be super high. Obviously it's quite high now, but we'll put our ladder in and lots of stuff. So yeah, this is the Orion 1400, and I'll go through once they're done. We'll go outside and I'll show you all the ins and outs and informations about it. But she's on. And there she is. She's on, she's out the front, looking pretty. I have driven to Sydney and back already with it. I haven't used it, obviously, it's still brand new, but let's do a bit of a walk around so you can sort of see. It's in about 2.1 and a bit with my current height with the lift, canopy and everything else, so I can still get in, drive-throughs and all that sort of stuff depending on the height. I went through a car wash the other day, no dramas, like not not an automated one, but a normal one. Went through plenty of drive-throughs. Yeah, she's all good and on there and all secure. So now that it's on, let's open it up and have a look inside and talk about the features. Everything's up pretty easy. We can just lift a little lever here. Now I'm tall enough to reach these. If you're not, you might have to go a little step ladder, depending on the height of your car. But we can open these up. We can push this up. And then the gas struts will do its work. And she's up. I'd never sent her tent up so quick in my life. That's it. She's up, set up. We can obviously set up the awnings, but yeah, she's up and in, super easy. Now you're thinking, how do I get up there? So what we do, we step up on a little tailgate here, step up and in, we can get the ladder, and we can set the ladder up. Now obviously if you want to keep your ladder and everything inside the car, you can. These are designed to have all your bedding, everything inside here still, so you can have it all in here, tucked away, closed down, and use it whenever you want to use it. Comes with all your bits and pieces, all your different utility bags, so you can hang stuff up inside it. Or obviously have it all in the back of your car, and then all our rods to push the awnings out, so you can just pull this rubber down. I'll try and do it with two hands, but I'll try and show you. So the elastic I just put down here, so that opens up this thing and it flies out, and then it's going to be hard to it's hard to video while I'm here, but we'll try and put the sticks out and I'll show you what we're doing. And just like that, we're set up. Obviously I've got another two posts I can set there, put the awning out that side as well. Quick and easy way to do it is hook the hook in the actual awning there, and tick it in under there, and when you're done, yeah, she's all set up. You can put the ladder either side, you can put it at the back if you want to. All these are movable, so you can literally put this wherever you want to put, but we've set up ours on the driver's side, and we'll get up in there and we'll have a look. All right, what a view. You can check out the post office. It's awesome. So we're up inside. I put the other awning out just so I can get up and in nice and easy, but that's it. So you can obviously have all these clothes. I've got them tied up at the moment, so up out of the way, but they can zip close. You have just a fly. Same on the sides, you've got just a fly, or you've got actual cover. And let's have a look inside and what the options are inside. But we'll start here. We've got pockets, so you've got all your dangly little pockets there, nice and easy. And then as I swing around, we have more pockets. I have to zoom out so you can see. More pockets, more hanging things, a light which comes off the power down here. We have a power feed that comes up. We have little side wind pockets. It's never ending. There's all sorts of stuff in here, heaps of storage. I'm sitting up quite easily, and I'm 6'2" and can lie down. yeah, as I was saying, we've got power, so you try and see down here, we've got some light. You actually got an Anderson that runs down and has two little phone socket chargers here, so you can run your little chargers nice and easy, and have your power run outside of the sockets nice and easy out of there. Yeah, and it has our condensation mat under here as well, so it won't get wet and soggy and nasty. Yeah, she's a good thing. So one thing I think is cool, I'm lying down at the moment, we have a clear pocket here, so we can run an iPad in here clear, hang that up, sit back, watch TV, watch the movies, have a light here if you want, no dramas, super easy. And obviously if you need to hang anything up, you can hang things up here as well. All nicely insulated lines, so it's not ugly inside. Yeah, super comfy. They even have hooks for our utility bags, obviously, so if you want to put anything in here, you can run all utility stuff in there. But yeah, it's a good little carrier bag. You can keep it stocked away inside here. Don't have to hang it up here, you can hang it up outside. It's just an idea for you. Yeah, there's two of those. Comes with a kit, so you get two of those. Nice. So there you have it, the Orion 1400, fully installed. I put the other awning up so you can see what's going on. So you can see it's all breezy there at the moment, it's all happy and healthy and safe. You can see you can close all the vents up if you want to try and keep it all airtight, or you can let it open and let it breathe. But yeah, it's super cool, heaps of room, super easy to fit, super easy to mount, super easy to just use, pop up and use. Obviously you can run a solar panel on top. So we do have brackets, just ignore the sun. We do have brackets that go across the top, and you can run solar panels on top of that as well. So you can run solar, run your batteries, and still have your rooftop tent, and you'll be able to get into it nice and easy. I said the ladder can be moved, the latches can be moved, you can put lights and things off the side if you want to here, LED little mounts, it's all adjustable to wherever you want to put things. But yeah, super cool. And putting it away, as simple as just pulling it down. And we tuck our edges in and we're done. So yeah, put that elastic around, pull the strap down. I did it one-handed while filming. Tuck your edges in, I'll put the strap back up inside, put the clamps down, she's away. And that's it, she's done. She's packed up, ready to go camping. They are able to come off the car as well if you want to take it off. I've seen people do sort of, little cranes to hold them off a thing. You can lift off a couple of mates, depends on what you want to do. But they are removable, they're not full-time on there if you don't want them to be, or you can leave them on there full-time. They're fully sealed, they won't get any water in there. They're a hard shell, so nice and reliable, you don't have to worry about them. But she's on. Yeah, highly recommend. We're going to go camping once. I'll do a review once we're actually camping. But from what I've seen when we've fitted them, when we've had them at the show, and now my own car, super good quality product. Nice and sturdy, easy to set up, easy to pack up, and yeah, you don't have to worry about it. So if this sounds like something you want, come and see us. We're at 34 Enterprise Street, Caloundra. Otherwise, give us a call, 54914626, and hit that like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.